Stop comparing yourself. Noong unang araw ng pasukan, napansin ko agad yung mga kaklase ko. Ang confident nila magsalita, parang walang kaba, parang ang dali lang para sa kanila. Nung ako na yung magpapakilala, I stuttered, sobrang kabado ko, nanginginig yung kamay ko, at pinagpawisan pa yung mga kamay ko. I felt like I wasn't enough. Doon ko sinimulang i-compare yung sarili ko sa kanila. Pero na-realize ko rin, I was comparing my chapter 1 to their chapter 10. Just because they look confident doesn't mean they're not nervous. Baka mas sanay lang sila. Lahat tayo may struggles, iba-iba lang tayo ng pace. Tumingin ako sa kung nasaan ako ilang buwan na ang nakalipas, and I realized I've already improved. Kahit mabagal, konti-konti lang, may progress. And that's something I should be proud of. You're not behind, you're just on your own unique path. Kaya para mas ma-improve pa ako, sinubukan kong gawin yung 1 minute speaking challenge. Pinost ko siya sa second account ko, you can check it there. And gusto ko rin sanang bumili ng book para matuto pa. Pero right now, wala pa akong budget. And that's okay. What matter is I'm trying. I'm doing something for myself. I'm growing slowly but surely. So kung nararamdaman mong parang wala kang progress, stop. Take a breath and look back. Makikita mo malayo na pala talaga ang narating mo. So stop comparing. Just keep showing up because one day you'll become the person you once looked up to.